guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Nikari Ocana Utami. I'm from class 4B with the three final student ID number is 105. Now I will explain about the material of mathematical logic.
Good morning, class. How are you today?
Good morning, Miss. I'm fine.
Okay, before we start today's lesson, I will check the attendance. When I call your name, please say present. Farin,
Present, Miss.
Bintang,
Present, Miss.
Angel.
Present, Miss.
Okay, the attendance is done. Now I will want to ask you something. Do you know what the material we will learn today?
Maybe logic, Miss.
Yes, that's correct. Today we will learn about mathematical logic. Okay, does anyone know what is the logic?
Maybe logic is thinking correctly, Miss.
Good, that's right, Angel. Anyone else?
No, Miss.
No, Miss.
Okay, no problem. I will explain it. Alright, guys. Today we are going to talk about mathematical logic. So, what is mathematical logic? Mathematical logic is a way of thinking clearly and correctly to decide whether something is true or false. Okay, the topic of discussion of today. Number 1 is definition of mathematical logic. Number 2 is statement. Number 3 is type of logical statement. Number 4 is truth table. And the last one is application of mathematical logic. Next. Okay, definition of mathematical logic. Mathematical logic is a branch of mathematics that studies correct reasoning to determine whether a statement is true or false.
Okay, first let's talk about the statement.
A statement is a sentence that has a truth value, either true or false. For example, 5 plus 2 equals 7. That's true. Number 2, 10 is an odd number. That's false. Okay, by the time you get there, do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
That's simple. The next is type of logical statement. Okay, the first operation is negation. Negation means we change the statement into the opposite. Negation is used to deny a statement. For example, she is happy. Negationnya, she is not happy. Next is conjunction. The conjunction connect two statements using and. It is true only if both statements are true. For example, P, he is tall. Q, he is strong. P conjunction Q, he is tall and he is strong. Next, disjunction. Disjunction connects two statements using or. It is true if at least one statement is true. For example, P, we will watch a movie. Q, we will play games. P disjunction Q, we will watch a movie or we will play games. Next is implication. An implication is a statement in the form if P, then Q. For example, P, you study hard. Q, you pass the exam. P implication Q, if you study hard, then you pass the exam. The next is be conditional. A be conditional means if and only if. Both statements must be true or both false. For example, P, a number is even. Q, it is divisible by 2. P, be conditional Q, a number is even if and only if it is divisible by 2. Okay, next, look the truth table. A truth table is used to determine whether a logical statement is true or false. For example, look the table. If P is true and Q is true, then P and Q is true. If P is true, Q is false, the result is false. If P is false, Q is true, the result false. If P is false, the Q is false, the result is false. Okay, the next is application of mathematical logic. Mathematical logic is used in computer programming, daily life, and decision making. Okay, alright guys, so today we learn about mathematical logic. Logic helps us think clearly and decide if something is true or false. Okay guys, since the material is finished, do you have any question?
No, Miss.
No, Miss.
Alright, see you next class guys.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.